We got our hands on the full Pixel 10 lineup and ran them through daily use, camera tests, multitasking, and even foldable durability checks. Here's what stood out, and who should consider each one. The base Pixel 10 is all about delivering flagship essentials without the flagship price. It's got the latest Google Tensor chip, a refined design, and AI features baked into every corner, from smarter call screening to real-time transcription. In Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold impressions, magnets, you'll see how the Pixel 10 nails the basics while still feeling premium. The camera is sharp and reliable, especially in low light, and the battery comfortably lasts a full day. If you want a phone that's fast, clean, and smart without going overboard, this is it. The 10 Pro steps things up with a triple lens camera system, including a periscope zoom that's actually usable. It's built for those who want more control, manual camera modes, AI-enhanced editing, and even Magic Q for guided framing. Google Pixel 10 Pro/10 Pro XL, 10 Pro Fold, and Pixel Snap. Shows off how these features work in real time. Plus, the display is brighter and smoother, making it ideal for content creation and media consumption. Google Pixel 10 versus 10 Pro XL versus 10 Pro Fold 10 thing breaks down the key differences if you're deciding between models. This is where Google really flexes. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is IP68 rated, meaning it's water and dust resistant, something most foldables still lack. The hinge is smoother, the crease is less visible, and the outer display is actually usable. Galaxy Z Fold 7 versus Pixel 10 Pro Fold not even close highlights how Google's foldable stacks up against Samsung's latest, and spoiler, it holds its own. Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold hands-on, first impressions versus gives you a closer look at how it performs in real-world multitasking, gaming, and media playback. Across the lineup, Google's AI integration is deeper than ever. From Magic Eraser to real-time voice translation, it's clear Google wants these phones to feel like smart assistants in your pocket. But Google Pixel 10/10 Pro hands-on, too much Google, raises a valid point. Are we getting too much automation? If you love control and customization, you might want to dial some features back. Check the description for best deals.